What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to make a quick and easy super delicious quesadilla. And for this quesadilla we are going to be using our organic meat seasoning. If you're interested, please keep watching. Cooking made easy. Hi everybody, my name is Claude Mott and I am the owner and founder of Le Bon Goût Seasoning. Le Bon Goût Seasoning is an e-commerce website where we sell organic seasoning, organic cooking base, hot pepper sauce, barbecue marinade, jerk marinade, and so much more. If you're interested in trying our product, please make sure to check the link in the description. For this recipe, we are going to be using the organic meat seasoning. This meat seasoning is packed with flavor and it will take your quesadilla to another level. It is a little spicy, so if you don't like spicy food, please make sure you use either the regular or the mild. This seasoning is very easy to use, and when you are using this seasoning, please remember to minimize your salt intake. Alright, let's start with the recipe. Okay guys, so real quick, let's present our ingredients. So I have some chicken. I'm using chicken thigh. The reason why I'm using chicken thigh is because I feel like it consumes better flavor and it tastes better. So I'm using chicken thigh, and I also have some chopped red onion, yellow onion, and bell peppers. And I have some cheese, and I have some butter, some oil, and I have some flour tortilla, and we have the meat seasoning. One thing about quesadilla, if you don't pay attention when you are seasoning the meat, it can be very salty and unpleasant. So this is the only seasoning that I'm using to season the chicken, and this seasoning already has everything in there. I don't need to add any extra salt, and the amount of seasoning that I use depends on the amount of meat that I am cooking, and this is the seasoning right there. So now we are going to start and season the chicken, and we are going to let the chicken marinate for a good 15 minutes before we start cooking. Okay guys, so we are going to marinate our chicken, and this is a closer look of what our meat seasoning looks like. So we're just going to add it in there. It's raw meat, and now we are going to mix it together. Fully marinate the chicken. This is what the chicken should look like when you are marinating the chicken with the seasoning. Now that I make sure that the seasoning is evenly spread out and the chicken is fully marinating, I'm going to let it sit for 15 minutes so that the seasoning can really get in there before I start cooking it over the stove. Okay, now I'm going to heat up some oil. Now that the oil is ready, we are going to cook our chicken. We're just going to let our chicken cook. Make sure you have enough oil in the pan so that the chicken doesn't get stick in there. And guys, be careful, don't have your heat too hot. You can see that your chicken is this color and the inside is not cooked. Be careful guys, there's so many diseases out there. Make sure that your meat is cooked through. And if you want, you can have a knife and a fork and cut it so you can check the inside. Okay, now that the chicken is cooked, I'm going to remove it. And I'm going to use the same oil to saute the veggies. We are not going to fry them. We are going to lightly saute them. And on a cutting board, I am going to cut the chicken. This is what the chicken looks like. So good. Nice color. We have reduced our heat to medium, and I'm going to saute the veggies. And keep stirring until they get tender. Not too soft, because we are going to cook them again. So allow them to get tender. After they get tender, we are going to remove them and start making our quesadillas. Now that the veggies are ready, we are going to remove them. Okay guys, so now I'm going to cut the chicken to small size, bite pieces, or small size, whatever size you desire. And as you can see, the chicken is cooked to perfection. Look at this. And it is so moist and juicy. Before we can start our quesadilla, I'm going to spread some butter on the tortilla. That way it can be nicely golden and crispy. Spread some butter. Okay, now we are going to put our tortilla face down. The part that has the butter, that's the part that we are going to have face down. One thing guys, when you are making your quesadilla, put cheese all over the tortilla. Not only on one side, but put cheese all over. I've seen a lot of recipes and a lot of them say put cheese on one side, but put cheese all over. It's gonna make it better when you flip your tortilla. Now we are going to add some veggies on one side. And then now we are going to add our chicken. Okay, now we are going to flip the tortilla over gently. Let me move it to the other side so you guys can see. And you can hear very crispy. Now our first quesadilla is ready. Now I'm just going to do the remaining one off camera. Nice. All right, and guys, look at this. Listen. Crispy. Our quesadilla came out perfectly. Okay guys, so this is the final result of a quesadilla. Looks so good, super tasty. This. I love this. So good. I hope you guys try this recipe And if you guys do, please make sure you comment below and let me know how you like it. I'm telling you, the meat seasoning take this to a whole nother level. I love it. Here is the final result. I serve mine with a side of fresh guacamole. I have a guacamole recipe on my channel. Go on my channel and watch the street taco video and you'll see how I make my guacamole. There it is, guys. And it is so cheesy inside, full of meat and veggie. Quick and easy, super delicious quesadilla. Hi guys, thank you so much for staying with me until the end of this video. I hope you guys try this recipe. It came out perfect and I'm definitely going to try it again. Guys, please remember to subscribe to help my channel grow. And thank you so much for your support. And as always, I'll see you next time. Bye! Cooking made easy.